Hello and welcome to the channel. Medicine and you, as a doctor, I often get asked about supplements, and one of the most popular is protein powder. It's a staple in the fitness world, promising bigger muscles and faster recovery. But is it always the healthy choice it's made out to be? Today, we're going to look past the marketing and examine the science. Could your daily protein shake be doing more harm than good? Let's uncover the shocking truth. First, let's talk about a very common complaint: digestive issues. Many people who start using protein powders, especially whey-based ones, report feeling bloated, gassy, or experiencing stomach cramps. This is often due to lactose intolerance, as whey is a byproduct of cheese production. Even if you're not fully lactose intolerant, large, concentrated doses can be hard for your system to handle. Plant-based proteins can also cause trouble for some, leading to similar digestive discomfort. It's a sign that your body might not be processing these concentrated powders efficiently. Next on our list is a hidden culprit: sugar. To make them taste better, many protein powders are loaded with sugar and artificial sweeteners. You might think you're having a healthy post-workout shake, but you could be consuming as much sugar as a can of soda. This can cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar levels, followed by a crash, leaving you feeling tired and irritable. Over time, these consistent sugar spikes can contribute to insulin resistance and increase your risk for more serious health issues. Always check the label and aim for products with less than 5 grams of sugar per serving. Another surprising side effect is potential weight gain. It sounds counterintuitive, right? Protein is supposed to help you build lean muscle. However, protein powder is a concentrated source of calories. If you are re-adding shakes to your regular diet without adjusting your total calorie intake or increasing your physical activity, those extra calories will be stored as fat. Many people mistakenly use protein shakes as a simple add-on rather than a replacement for a meal or snack, leading to a calorie surplus and unwanted weight gain over the long term. Now, let's discuss a more serious concern: contaminants. Several studies have found alarming levels of heavy metals like lead, arsenic, cadmium, and mercury in popular protein powders. These contaminants are absorbed by the plants that become plant-based proteins or can enter the product during processing. Long-term exposure to these heavy metals, even at low levels, can be toxic and may lead to a host of health problems, affecting your brain, kidneys, and other vital organs. Because supplements aren't tightly regulated, companies aren't always required to test for these toxins. This is why choosing a brand that provides third-party testing for purity is absolutely critical for your safety. Beyond heavy metals, we need to consider the additives. To improve texture, mixability, and shelf life, manufacturers often add artificial sweeteners, thickeners like carrageenan, and other synthetic ingredients. Some artificial sweeteners have been linked to disrupting the gut microbiome, which is essential for overall health. Other additives can cause inflammation or allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. The more processed a product is, the more likely it is to contain these potentially harmful extras. You're trying to build a healthier body, not introduce a cocktail of chemicals into it. So with all these potential risks, what's the alternative? The answer is simple and effective: whole foods. Real, unprocessed foods are almost always the superior choice. You can easily meet your protein needs through a balanced diet. Excellent sources include lean meats like chicken and turkey, fish, eggs, and dairy products like Greek yogurt. For plant-based options, consider lentils, beans, tofu, tempeh, and quinoa. These foods provide not only high-quality protein, but also a wealth of other essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals that you won't find in an isolated protein powder. Your body is designed to digest and absorb nutrients from whole foods, making them a more natural and efficient choice. Let's delve deeper into the impact on your kidneys. A very high-protein diet, especially one heavily reliant on supplements, can put a strain on your kidneys over time. The kidneys are responsible for filtering waste products from protein metabolism out of your blood. When you consume an excessive amount of protein, you force your kidneys to work overtime. For most healthy people with normal kidney function, this isn't an immediate threat. However, for individuals with pre-existing kidney issues or over a very long period of daily, high-dose supplementation, this sustained strain can potentially worsen kidney function. It's all about balance. Most adults only need about 46 to 56 grams of protein per day, a target easily met through diet alone. It's also important to manage expectations. The marketing around protein powders often creates unrealistic promises of rapid, effortless muscle gain. Building muscle is a complex process that requires consistent resistance training, adequate rest, and a well-rounded diet, not just a single supplement. Relying on shakes can create a false sense of accomplishment and may lead people to neglect the foundational principles of health and fitness. Remember, supplements are meant to supplement a healthy lifestyle, not replace it. So, if you do choose to use a protein powder, how can you do it more safely? First, do your homework. Look for brands that are transparent about their sourcing and manufacturing processes. Opt for products that have been third-party tested by organizations like NSF International or Inform Sport. These certifications verify that the product contains what the label says it does and is free from many common contaminants. Second, read the ingredient list carefully. Choose powders with a short, simple list of ingredients. Avoid products with added sugars, artificial sweeteners, fillers, and other unpronounceable chemicals. A high-quality protein isolate with minimal additives is a much better choice. Third, listen to your body. If a certain protein powder causes you digestive distress, stop using it. There are many different types available, from whey and casein to soy, pea, and rice protein. You may need to experiment to find one that your body tolerates well. Or you may find that none of them agree with you, which is a clear signal to stick to whole foods. Fourth, stay hydrated. A high protein intake requires more water to help your kidneys process the waste products. Make sure you are drinking plenty of water throughout the day, especially if you are using protein supplements. This can help mitigate some of the strain on your system. Finally, and most importantly, consult a healthcare professional. Before you start any new supplement regimen, talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can help you assess whether you actually need a protein supplement based on your diet, activity level, and health goals. They can also provide personalized recommendations and help you navigate the confusing world of supplements safely. In conclusion, while protein powders can be a convenient tool for some, they are not a magic bullet and they are not without risks. From digestive issues and hidden sugars to serious contaminants and potential kidney strain, there are significant factors to consider. Prioritizing a balanced diet of whole foods is always the best foundation for your health. Supplements should be chosen with extreme care and viewed as what they are, a supplement, not a staple. Thank you for watching. I hope this information helps you make more informed decisions about your health and nutrition. Stay safe, stay informed, and always prioritize what truly nourishes your body. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more evidence-based health content.